First, log into your account on the Region V Public Health Training Center Training Gateway at www.rvphtc.org/training. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link in order to reset it. You will need to check your email for further instructions. Be sure to check the spam folder of your inbox. If you remember your login information, enter it here and click Login. When you are logged in, your name will appear at the top right. If for some reason your screen does not look like this, simply click on your name and then Student Dashboard. The Student Dashboard automatically defaults to the In Progress tab. We will now need to click on the Completed tab. The course that we just completed, OPHA Public Policy Institute Series No. 1, Racism as a Public Health Crisis, on demand, offered free CE and a free certificate. So in order to access the certificate, all we have to do is click the View or Download button. If for some reason you do not see the course you just finished in the Completed tab, you will need to go to the In Progress tab where the course will be located. In that case, you would need to click on a button that says Resume or Review Course in order to go back into the Canvas course site to complete one last step. So here we are in the Canvas course site, and next we will need to go to Modules, and then we will need to click on Directions for Certificate of Completion. This will trigger the system to generate your certificate. Now all you need to do is go back to the Training Gateway and you will be able to see your certificate. So in the Training Gateway, click on your name, then Student Dashboard, then the Completed tab. Here you will be able to view or download your certificate, and you will also be able to view your CE credit within your PDF transcript. If you just earned CHES credit, that will be reported by us to NCHEC on a quarterly basis. If you just earned C&E credit, you will have to submit that on your own.